All right, this question, it says what equation represents this situation. So first what we need to do is fill out the rest of this table. So they said their input here is 2, the output here is 6. So we need to try to figure out if, say for instance, we can give these things a value. Say this has to do with like the CDs that you buy and the cost. So if it's for 2 CDs you pay $12, for 3 CDs you pay $18, and for 4 CDs you pay $24, you could figure out the price for one. Okay, so how much it's going up by each time. So a couple ways you could do this. You could just divide 2 into 12 and see that it's 6. Same thing with 3 into 18 and 4 into 24. It costs $6 for one CD. So this top, where our input is 1, is our unit rate. Let me erase some of this. Where our input is 1, that is our unit rate. So we just found that when our input or x is 1, our y is 6. So remember, when we write our equation y equals kx, this k, this number, that's our unit rate, which we just found was 6. So all we're doing is plugging in a 6 right there into that equation.